my student, if you are planning to enter into consulting firms, if you are planning to appear for consulting interview but are worried or are getting rejected, then you have to understand basically that you have to prepare for a slightly different manner compared to the interviews of other firms. So first we have to understand the hard truth that they don't hire actuaries. Basically they hire people who can represent to clients and who do not embarrass them. So your exams can't prove that, your marks can't prove that, even internships can't prove that. Secondly, apart from understanding the hard truth, we need to understand that what actually gets tested. So silently in consulting interviews, they are testing you on thinking, they are testing you on judgment, they are testing you on communication, that how you can explain to a non-technical audience, for you to understand that when numbers matter and when numbers don't matter, how you can structure a problem. That's very important thing to understand. And why students actually get rejected is because they behave like exam candidates. You have to understand the problem. You have to don't reward the correctness, but you should reward the clarity. So most actuaries basically fail because they behave like exam candidates, and you have to understand that what you have to do differently. So you have to practice explaining answers verbally. You have to practice incomplete problems. You have to practice saying this, that based on limited data, this is my recommendation. This single sentence is basically your consulting language. And the final reality check is to understand that if you can think clearly, if you can speak clearly, if you can stay calm under ambiguity, then definitely you are already ahead most of the other applicants. So if you want more exam to be cleared, you have to prepare like a student. But if you want consulting, you have to prepare like someone who can face clients. So you have to understand that what consulting interviews demand from you and accordingly prepare. Still, in case of any confusion in respect to your actual journey, feel free to connect with us on the number mentioned. Thank you. Happy learning.